How to change YouTube channel handle name. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change YouTube channel handle name. To change your YouTube channel handle name, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here, I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, you need to type in youtube.com. After that, press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of YouTube. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here on the top right corner, you will see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture, and once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you need to click on YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio and this will open your YouTube Creator Studio page. In this page at the left side, you will be able to see these options. Here scroll down and click this customization option. Once the customization section opens, here you need to scroll down and find your handle name. Once you find your handle name, here click on it and press the backspace button of your keyboard to delete it. Now you can set up a new handle name. Enter your handle name here. Also make sure the handle must be unique and should not violate the YouTube's community guidelines. After adding the new handle name, now click on this publish button at the top right corner of your page. Once you click on publish, this will save the new handle. Now you can go to your channel to check your handle. Click on View Channel option from the top right, and then here you will be able to see your newly updated channel handle name. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your YouTube channel handle name. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.